Hello, friends! Today we will draw and color the ocean animals. I will start drawing the seal.
Baby starfish, ding 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 ding. Mommy starfish, ding 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 ding. Mommy starfish, ding ding.
I will draw the starfish.
Daddy starfish, ding 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 ding. Grandma starfish, ding 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 ding. Grandpa starfish, ding 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 ding. Let's go glow.
Let's draw the octopus.
Find a shell. Ding 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 ding. Safe and dry. Ding 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 ding. Time for dreams. Ding 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 ding.
I will draw the dolphin.
Baby starfish. Ding 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 ding. Baby starfish. Ding 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 ding. Mommy starfish.
Let's draw the frog.
Ding ding ding. Mommy starfish. Ding 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 ding. Daddy starfish. Ding 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 ding. Grandma starfish. Ding 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 ding. Grandpa starfish. Ding 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 ding. Let's go glow. Ding 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 ding. Find a shell.
I will draw the manta ray.
Ding ding ding. Safe and dry. Ding 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 ding. Time for dreams. Ding 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 ding.
I will color the seal with brown. I will color the seal's tail with gray. I will color the starfish with orange. I will color the octopus with red. I'll color the dolphin with sky blue. I will color the dolphin's mouth with dark blue. I will color the frog with green. frog spots with yellow. I will color the manta ray with magenta. Good job, friends! You could learn the ocean animals' names and color them. Don't forget to subscribe for more.